Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about stacked area charts. Stacked area charts show each category's contribution to the total, and how they change over a selected dimension, like time. In our example, we'll analyze how total revenue changes over time. We'll use different colored areas to represent product categories. Each data label shows the revenue amount for corresponding category. This visualization chart clearly shows that if a product category's revenue is high, its corresponding area will be larger. Conversely, lower revenue results in smaller areas. Using this method, we can easily see the total revenue trend over time, as well as each category's contribution to total. Look at this chart. In June, we see an overall revenue decline. Looking at the different colored areas, the yellow area represents supplements, which shows significant decrease. As you can see, it helps us drill down the changes within the components of our data, enhancing our understanding for the data. Now, let's see how to create the chart in the system. Create a new page. Insert a chart. Under Chart Types, select Stacked Area Chart. Choose the measures and dimensions. In this demo, select Revenue as the measure. For the dimension, since we're analyzing over time, we'll select Month for the x-axis. For color encoding, we'll assign Product Category. This tells the chart to stack the areas by product category. Okay, let's enlarge the chart. Adjust the formatting. Format numbers in thousands, with 2 decimal places. Additionally, let's modify the chart borders. Okay, we've now created the basic stacked area chart. We also want to display total values on the y-axis, since each label represents the revenue for its specific category. To view total revenue on the y-axis, we can click here. More options. Enable y-axis data labels. Great, now the y-axis shows accumulated values. This way, we can see both the individual category amounts from the labels and the total revenue scale on the y-axis. This allows us to observe the overall revenue trend over time, and track how each product category contributes to that change. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.